correct?
Okay, so in 3 months we do a move, and then that's when we receive the 170.
When you move, we start repairing the property. And when the
Right.
property is completed rehab, we have a partner that is going to be paying you the 170 because
Okay.
now our partner is not going to see the property like the other investors do, like, oh, it's completely destroyed. No, 140 because he knows we are going to partner with you so you can net 170. I don't know if
Okay.
that makes sense.
So what all I need to know is just that we have 3 months and that we move out
Okay.
within that time frame, and then
We start
have
working. Yeah,
you
we
start
start working.
working, and then when do we receive the 170 is what I'm saying.
So we finish after 2 months,
After
and I
two
mean
months.
after 2 more months because it is gonna take time, to because a buyer. So and this is something that you can keep in mind. A buyer is gonna come in and is gonna start to see everything that probably for you it's just okay, and maybe for
Mhm.
them it's like no because I'm gonna bring. People will want to put it up to rent, right?
Mhm.
And they are
Right.
gonna need the property to be with everything brand new up to 2024 standards so
Right,
they
right.
can get a higher rent. And that's
Mhm.
why they do the investment. So what we're gonna do is partner with you to move in 3 months. We give you 3 or 4 months, the time that you need, right? We put it on an agreement so you don't feel forced or in a rush of anything. So once you move, we are gonna bring our construction team and they're gonna
Mhm.
redo everything that needs to be redo. It's not like we're gonna tear down the property. We're gonna
Excuse
just
me.
bless you.
Mm.
We're not gonna turn down the property. We're just gonna make it look right on the eyes of the buyer. That is our partner. He's gonna come in and he's gonna say, "Okay, I'm buying the property," and that's something that we have for sure ready. And that's why we don't approve all of the properties for this project because it is very resourceful, as you can imagine. And it
Mhm.
normally takes 1 month, 2 months max. And we say 2 months because if we can close before, it would be amazing. But
Mhm.
basically, we partner with you, Judith, and your husband, and
Mhm.
we're gonna help you net more money because I know situations are rough. And man, a little bit more of money for a little bit of time, 2 more months, wouldn't that be of help? So that's what we're
Uh-huh.
trying to do.
Okay, so we would move out, and we would have to take care of all wherever we live, on our own what we have as far as money income until then after the 3 months. You said another month or two for you to do the work,
2 months, no more than 2 months. Uh,
and then we would close within that time
then
frame.
yes. So the way is to enhance the property. We can actually give you more money, right? Because
Uh-huh.
if we buy a cease, you will actually lose $30,000. Because of course
Mhm.
nobody would come in and buy at 170 if they have to put up front a lot of work. But if we
Mhm.
partner with you, right,
Right.
then we can make the property look right and everything is gonna be on the agreement and you guys can feel comfortable or what you're gonna be getting into. But it's pretty simple. You guys take care of where you're gonna be going or to an apartment or something. We can even help out relocate in some of the cases. But the idea is that if you guys are like, no, I just wanna be done with this. I don't wanna wait. I just wanna go. I wanna leave everything behind. The best that we can come around is 145. And
Okay.
if you partner with us and you're like, give me 3 months, you relocate, you let us work on the property to help you gain more equity on the house,
Mhm.
then we're gonna be able to help you net the 170.
Okay.